Welcome back to Planter Garden TV. As you can see, guys, have some real big beautiful tomato tree here. They already blossom. So now I'm trying to stake them up like how I stake up this one and this one. So I'm going to show you now how I stake my tomatoes, because these tomatoes you have to stake them because you don't want them to split, because there does be a lot of tomatoes, and if you don't take care of them now, when they start to bear, the tomato them gonna be so heavy, so they're gonna split the plant. You see like how this is in two? These two limbs, 1, 2. When this one bear, it's gonna split and break. When it have when the tomato start bearing and getting heavy, this gonna split and break also this one. So now, my job now is to come with my stick like this. You see the stick? And you put it down between here. Okay, you push it down between here, and what you do now, you push it down. You see, so now I'm pushing it down. The earth is soft now, so now is the right time. Okay, so now I have the string right here. You see, guys, I use all different kind of stuff, string, whatever. All this save me a lot of money, so that's why I can plant a whole garden for cheap instead of me running to the store and buying everything, and everything adds up. So now I'm gonna use this string. Man, it's difficult with me. It's difficult for me to do it with the camera, but basically, guys, this is how I do it. So you see, I tie this to the stick like that. You see, so now the stick gonna keep it from bending and break. So I'm gonna tie this limb, and I'm also gonna tie this limb right here, so both of them will able to balance off of this stick. So this is how I do my tomato. I tie them up because I don't want them to split. So I have to do all of them like this. Even a pepper tree, I do the pepper tree as well. But I don't ready for that now. So I'm working on the tomatoes. So this is how I do it. I put the stick down in the earth, so more they grow up, and you see I make the stick longer than taller than the tomato tree. So the more they grow up, they're gonna have all that to tie on. So now instead of the tomato them on the ground, they're gonna be up in the air. All right, so thank you, guys. I hope this video is important to you guys and makes sense to you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.